Folks, you probably gotta have sleigh bells to be able to start smiling today. Check it out. We have a table to do. It's been a while. Come on over and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use on our table right now for Christmas on my take on home and garden. Okay guys, let's see what we're going to use on our table today. We'll go with some gold-plated flatware. And of course the breakfast table is right on the edge of the kitchen, so all you fanatics that are waiting for Angela, she is waiting for me to finish this video. And then she's going to be in the next video. So everybody will be happy about that. Let's start with the base setting. We're going to go with a scalloped white charger. Then our base plate will be, we need a little help from Old Britain Castles. And our top salad plate will be by Spode in the St. Nicholas collection. That'll be the dominant theme and idea today. This little topiary tree may be my centerpiece. I'm thinking I don't want anything to take away from these incredible plates. On that same note, I'm going with an off-white linen napkin to play it down and leave all the attention on those plates. Now by Gorham from Germany, we have our fabulous crystal sleigh napkin rings. In the Old Britain Castles, the milk pitcher, the vegetable covered dish, teapot, just fabulous. And we're going to have some teacups and saucers, and we'll have a bit of tea today. Beautiful crystal tumblers or highball glasses by Crystal d'Arcs of France. Crystal salt and pepper shaker. Vintage and on the edge of antique. And then wonderful Santa crystal candlesticks made in Germany. Okay guys, how about our tablecloth today? We're going to go with a wonderful plaid. Look at this beauty. And of course, it's in 100% cotton. Just like I like it. And I'm going to share my chandelier arrangement with you today as well. We have greens and red wisteria, a little bit of plaid. We've got some boots and presents and some plaid ornaments. And this is a tough view. Let me get around with those lights on. There we go. It just raises heck with the camera. I have to kind of leave and come back in. I like the deer antler touch as well. Just a couple. Alrighty, hey, let's get going on this incredible table for Christmas. Okay guys, I'm mostly gonna just get to work, and you can listen to some beautiful music while I'm doing the table. Then we'll talk about it after, and I'll take you and show you all around. First, we'll look at the napkins. 18-inch, opened up all the way, 100% cotton. In this scenario, we're on a small table. We don't want anything crazy, fancy. We don't want a peacock. We don't want a Christmas tree. We don't want to take away from our main subject, which is that Spode St. Nick plate. Okay, here, it's a tight roll, and then our crystal sleigh, just like this. White chargers, and I'm gonna have all of them facing the same way. As you guys that have been here know, I like to do. So a large scallop at the bottom will help you with that. And now, how about a couple of those finishing touches that makes your table so special? We've got crystal, Santa, and a candlestick. Just to finish off. Now I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around. Okay guys, let's look at our table for Christmas. I went with a beautiful Ralph Lauren designed plaid. As we mentioned before, the gold plated flatware with a linen napkin, 100% cotton, crystal sleigh napkin ring, old British castles underplate, dinner plate on a scalloped white charger. Then the star of this table today is the St. Nicholas plates by Spode, made in England. Look at, I think you'll agree, the old Britain castles is the underplate. Crystal incredible teapot. And to play down the table, to show off the plates, just a sweet gold glittery topiary tree with fruit. You see how the crystal works with anything. Everybody doesn't have a complete set of things. It's a lot of money. But to use something special as your center, that's what we're trying to show here today. And here's the St. Nick mug. Again, made in England by Spode. We're going to enjoy some music now. We'll do a lift and a 360 for you. Well, folks, again, thanks for coming by, and I hope you enjoyed our special Christmas table for St. Nick. You can do it too. Just a little extra effort and make your family smile. Be good, take care, get your happy face on, and start decorating for Christmas. It'll make you feel like $1,000,000. See you soon. Blessings and goodwill. I can't wait. And I did want to tell you what we're having. We are having, once a year, we have a quail or a partridge or a Cornish hen, they call them. Cornish hen, cream corn, homemade biscuits, and I think a spinach, like a souffle. And our dessert is bread pudding with a little cinnamon and rum and raisins. Off the chain good. Don't go to the cupboard now. Stay on that diet. See you soon in the next one with Miss Angela. We're decorating the kitchen, and she's doing her tree for Christmas. Bye, guys. See you soon. Can't wait. I know you can't either.